Hello, my friends. Auntie had severe cough day and night. Cough not getting suppressed. This man went to her with a syrup. He told, Auntie, your cough will be there for 12 hours a day. But this is very cheap syrup, Auntie. Your cough will go in 3 months. But this syrup has got good taste, Auntie. Please buy the syrup. Auntie understood everything. She told, go to hell with you and your syrup. Get lost from here. The message is, my friends, cough does not get suppressed by syrup. Actually, codeine is a good syrup, codeine. But codeine is not available due to government norms here. Hence, nobody keeps codeine, but a good doctor will prescribe you codeine. But codeine should not be used in asthma. So be careful, my friends. Only a good doctor will prescribe you codeine. Rest all the syrups are actually useless, my friends. Meant for commercial purpose. But we all think syrup is good. My cough will go away. No, my friends. Please understand my message. Only codeine is good for cough, but not for asthma. Thank you very much.